Hey guys, this is Saurabh Naif, Malbar Technologies, and in this video, let's talk about the Redmi Note 4 and the Honor 6X. Now, as you guys already know that both the devices are priced similarly, and we are taking into consideration the 3GB RAM variant of the Honor 6X. So, we are gonna compare both the devices, and this is just the first part. The second part will be on his channel, so make sure you check out the second part. You will see a card popping up right now, or you can check out the link in the description box. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, so let's start with build quality first. And in terms of build quality, I feel the Redmi Note 4 is little bit better compared to the Honor 6X, because the reason why I have replaced my Honor 6 was because I found out some creaking noise on the Honor 6X. So that's why I have applied for replacement. And overall, in terms of feel also, I feel that Redmi Note 4 feels better compared to the Honor 6X. That is just my personal opinion, but yeah, I feel that Redmi Note 4 feels better, and also it is better in terms of build quality.
Both these phones have metallic back panel, so it feels good to hold in hand because it's metal. 2.5D curved glass is present on the Redmi Note 4 and curved glass is present on the
Honor 6X as well.
So when you come at the end of the screen or the scrolling experience, it feels seamless, and it doesn't feel as if the screen ended over there, or it doesn't hurt your finger or something like that. It feels good on both the phones, but if we had to choose one, we would go with the Redmi Note 4.
The reason is why we are selecting Redmi Note 4 is because Redmi Note 4, we have used it without the screen guard, and still I can't really see any scratches on my device at least.
Even on my device there are no scratches.
No scratches. And Honor 6X, they have already applied the screen protector, and I have also seen some videos showing that the display is not that scratch resistant. So I feel that overall Redmi Note 4 is better when it comes to build quality and the overall feel of the device.
And as both these devices are budget devices which you can buy under 15,000 rupees, both these devices do not have any type of Corning Gorilla Glass on them. So you must apply a scratch guard on it.
That's mandatory.
To make sure that your screen is protected from scratches.
And not just a scratch guard, I would recommend you to go with a tempered glass.
Oh, tempered glass.
That would be great, because
it supposedly adds extra protection because when you drop your phone, the tempered glass is supposed to break first, and then
the
screen may break. So it's still theory. I do not believe in.
I actually believe in it, because my dad he dropped the Mi4C by mistake, and thankfully there was this tempered glass, so that's why
tempered glass broke.
It survived. It survived.
After this, now let's talk about the fingerprint sensor on both these devices. Both these devices have fingerprint sensor at the rear side, and accuracy on both these devices were
really good. I was using Honor 6X, and it was very, very fast. I feel it is even faster than the Redmi Note 4, which is great. And even with wet hands, or even if you have oil or ghee or whatever it is, you're eating something and you just want to unlock and see the notifications and stuff like that, then it was working perfectly fine. So yeah, the fingerprint sensor is great on the Honor 6X, but there are some additional functionalities with the fingerprint sensor. You can swipe and you can see the notifications, and
which is present in the Android Nougat, and it is present in the Marshmallow version of Honor 6X.
Honor 6X, okay.
And so you can click normal selfies.
That's there in Redmi Note 4 and Honor 6X both.
And Redmi Note 4 is slow right now, but I think that it may get better in future with software updates, because Redmi Note 3 was quicker after getting few software updates, and now it's very quick as compared to what it was in the beginning, when it was launched. After this, now let's talk about the gaming performance on both these devices.
And I feel that Redmi Note 4 actually was good compared to the Honor 6X, because on Honor 6X, I played GTA San Andreas, Modern Combat 5, Nova 3 and Asphalt 8, which I played on Redmi Note 4 as well.
And many more devices.
And all the games were working perfectly fine on the Redmi Note 4, whereas on Honor 6X, I was facing some frame drops issue or something like that when it comes to Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5. So in terms of gaming, I would give the vote to Redmi Note 4.
And Redmi Note 4 has Snapdragon 625 processor, which is made by Qualcomm, whereas Honor 6X has
Kirin 655 processor, which is made by themselves.
Yeah,
Huawei.
So it's like having Qualcomm processor might have a little bit of edge over here. And when it comes to day-to-day life performance, Redmi Note 4 performs extremely good, and
even Honor 6X performs like really good. There's no issues. I have done a speed test video. If you have not seen that, I will leave a card over here, or you can just check out the description box for that video.
After this, now let's talk about heating issue, because that's very important thing in India at least. Because as I said, I mentioned this in my Pixel XL review. Like, I'm promoting my channel. I don't know why, but in India's temperature is a little bit higher as compared to US and UK. So when you see reviews based on US from tech YouTubers who are based in US or UK, their temperatures are already less. So like they do not get that heating.
Their temperature is in -6 degrees, -8 degrees, and here in India it is
20,
plus
30.
plus 32 degrees. So like positive. So that's why it totally depends, like, from region to region.
And when we have to talk about heating issue, I am using the Redmi Note 4 for last 20 days. I do not face any type of heating issue.
Even I never. Like, I am also using it since like almost 21 days.
Honor 6X too.
Yeah, I was using Honor 6X for last 3 or 4 days, but I just gave it for a replacement because, as I mentioned earlier, there was some creaking issues. Like, creaking noise was coming from this part of the phone. Let me show you. Yeah. So here, when I was pressing, there was some creaking noise.
At the bottom
that's why I had to send it for replacement. And one major con about the Honor 6X is that there is hybrid slot, but it has got 2G support on the second SIM, which is like a biggest con in my opinion, because if suppose you have two 4G SIM cards, like suppose I have Airtel and Jio SIM card, and I want to
Vodafone, let's say
Airtel and Vodafone, whatever it is. If you have two 4G SIM cards, then this is gonna be a big issue, because if suppose you have like completed the whole
exhausted the
data of Airtel and you want to shift to Vodafone or Jio or whatever it is, you can't really do that unless and until you have changed the SIM card. So that's a big issue with the Honor 6X, I feel. And personally, if you are paying 13,000 rupees, you are just getting 24 GB or 23 GB of storage, and with Redmi Note 4, you are getting 64 GB of storage. So that is also a positive thing in my opinion.
So storage, if you are looking for a bigger storage,
then I think the sensible option is Redmi Note 4
as compared to Honor 6X.
In terms of performance, in terms of storage, it's a better option, because if you are gonna buy Honor 6X, then you are paying almost 16,000 rupees, which in my opinion is like
a little bit extra.
Expensive. You are paying 3,000 rupees extra just for 1 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which doesn't make sense.
And after this, now let's talk about the most important point and the most differentiating factor between both these devices, and that is camera. So 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera is present on the Redmi Note 4,
whereas 12 megapixel rear camera with 2 megapixel secondary camera on the rear side and a 8 megapixel front camera is present on the Honor 6X.
Numbers do not matter.
Yeah, numbers do not matter, but
when it comes to
quality, the cameras on the Honor 6X are little better. But I won't give it to the Honor 6X like completely. Like, I won't say that Honor 6X is the best, like
hands down the best.
Not like that. No, not like that. Because it is better than Redmi Note 4. Obviously, it is better than Redmi Note 4. But I feel the feature, like if you're looking for that bokeh wala feature, then it is just gimmicky. I don't like it at all. Personally, I don't like it.
It is not going to perform.
And I posted one picture on Facebook and people were commenting fake bokeh.
Like,
so if you think the same, then just comment down below with the hashtag fake bokeh if you don't like the fake bokeh. And also in terms of camera, like you can't really shoot 4K videos on the device, which is
on Honor 6X, whereas you can shoot 4K on Redmi
Note 4 using with, like, if you use the Google Camera application, you can shoot 4K videos. And which is, by the way, good. Like,
you can shoot 4K, even though I feel like 1080p is going to be more stable as compared to 4K videos on Redmi Note 4.
It is better on Redmi Note 4 compared to the Redmi Note 3. On Redmi Note 3, it was just shooting in 24 FPS. Now it can shoot in 30 FPS, and also the megabits
is
higher. So you will get like better videos. So here are some of the pictures that I have clicked with the Honor 6X, and in outdoors you won't really notice a lot of difference between the Redmi Note 4 and the Honor 6X, because both the devices perform really well in outdoor conditions, whereas you might notice a little bit of difference when it comes to indoors and in low light situations. So that can be a factor for like people who like to shoot or like to click pictures in low light situations. Apart from it, both the cameras are decent enough. So
yeah. So you can click like decent pictures for Instagram,
For-
Facebook,
yeah.
and everything like that. So Saurabh, here is $1 million question for you. Let's assume I came to you for help and I have budget of around 13 to 14,000 rupees and I need the best camera smartphone ever and I'm confused between Redmi Note 4 and Honor 6X. Which one would you suggest?
just like camera is the only priority. If like you are looking, like camera is the only thing that you are looking. You don't want performance, you don't want battery, you don't want
No,
storage.
I don't care about battery, I don't care about storage. or
Anything. You just want camera.
I just want the camera because I'm Instagram king and I want to post hundreds of selfies, like take hundreds of selfies and then post one picture on Instagram.
Okay. Then I feel that you can go ahead with Honor 6X. Although I don't feel so that Honor 6X is like way better than Redmi Note 4.
Yeah.
That is not true.
Yeah.
But yeah, still, like if camera is the only priority, then I would recommend you to go with the Honor 6X. So
Yeah, so
yeah,
there you
that wraps up. Like that's it for this first part. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let's aim for 555 likes on this video. Also, don't forget to check out the second part on his channel and there will be a card which is popping up right now. Or you will see a link in the description box. So just go on to his channel and watch the second part. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, if you're like coming from his channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you subscribe to his channel if you're going
haven't
from
already. So,
my
yeah.
channel to his channel. And make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box. That's it for this video, guys. This is Saurabh Nahi from Alvar Technologies. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.